Hello, and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is June 10th, 2025, and we're diving into the SPY, also known as the S&P 500, to decipher what's been happening and what could happen next. We'll be examining recent news events alongside the chart data to provide a comprehensive market analysis. First, let's address the current events influencing the market. According to recent reports, US and China trade talks are ongoing in London, injecting optimism into the market, with the S&P 500 nearing record highs. Additionally, AI stocks continue to drive market movement, boosting the Nasdaq and S&P 500. Tesla shares have also seen a rebound after recent turbulence, which is good news for the stock. Furthermore, news suggests investors are anticipating updates on inflation and trade relations, adding another layer of complexity to the current trading environment. Now, let's look at the SPY's daily chart to identify key trends and patterns. As we can see on the one-day chart, since around late March 2025, the SPY has been in a large upward consolidation period. Before that period, in February and March, the SPY experienced a large pull down. Is the SPY setting up for a similar crash? If we narrow the daily chart down from late March to today, June 10th, we can see that it has been consolidating and trending upward. The candles seem to indicate that there will be a resistance somewhere around the 600 level, and it tested it a few times and pulled back, but perhaps it is gearing up to test it again? Switching to the hourly chart, we can see some more short-term trends. If we look back to around May 21st, the price had a crash down to around 582, but then quickly bounced back up. This could be a support level to watch out for. Another resistance point to watch would be around 592. Let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart to get an even closer look at the recent price action. Here we can see that today, June 10th, the price has tested around the 600 level but failed to stay there. This might indicate an upcoming pullback. In summary, key price levels to watch are the support around 582 and resistance around 600. Based on the ongoing trade talks and positive sentiment around AI, the S&P 500 could likely test the 6147 all-time high in the next month with a 60% chance. However, negative surprises in inflation data or trade tensions could trigger a pullback, retesting support around 582 with a 40% chance. Keep an eye on the CPI and PPI reports due out this week, as well as any news concerning US-China trade relations, as these factors will greatly influence the SPY's trajectory. We will keep an eye on it here at Explain the Charts and provide you guys more analysis and insights. Stay tuned.